Now more than ever, your kindness matter. This is a time to stand tall. This is a time to show people what you're made of. And this is why. You create the environment. You create everything that goes on around you. When you issue times of kindness, when you speak to people in a kind way, that makes you, one, feel great. You feel amazing, and it makes the other person feel good as well. I'm not talking about this fake rah-rah stuff, especially now we've got lockdown with the coronavirus and all this. Now is the time more than ever. So today I went shopping and I was walking down, my car was socially isolating, and people were 2 meters apart. As I was walking down, I just smiled, walking down the queue, just smiled, and people were saying, you got the right thing there, with the coffee cup. That was the talking point. And from there, we were just having a little chat, keeping the social distancing, chatting, and everyone was feeling great. In this time of busyness, people are slowing down, they're actually having a conversation. Now, if this had happened all before, look, think back before this all kicked off. Think about what happened. No one talked to each other, heads down, just thinking about what they're going to buy, and out they come, in, out, and gone. Now people are, even though there's an air sometimes that people are afraid, people are talking to each other, people are wanting to support each other, people know that they need help, they need someone to talk to. There's smiling going on, and yes, at the first when it all kicked off, there were people who were being selfish, who were taking stuff off the shelves, and now it's all calmed down, who recognise actually there is enough for everybody. And part of that has been the kindness thing. The kindness is permeating through. Yes, there's laws and things that are coming through, but really, if people weren't abiding, people weren't being kind, then that wouldn't happen. And I see this everywhere. So my perspective when I'm seeing all this is just amazing. The stories you're hearing now, the kindness you're going on now, when I'm connecting with people on social media, there's so much kindness, so much togetherness, so many suggestions about what you can do, how you can get through this difficult time. There's so much content now. And so I want you to be kind. I want you to think, how can you? Not talk about giving things away. It doesn't. It can just be a chat. It could be just. Even today we just bought someone some pasta, just a little bit, so you could get it to them. We gave away some lentils to somebody because they needed it, right? And that's the kindness. And my wife just did it down the road to a neighbour. And these are the small acts of kindness that you can do. You can create that world, but it all starts with you. It all starts with you inside, and making that choice, making that decision, because your kindness matters more than ever. Your kindness is going to be the thing that pulls us through. It's going to make this much more bearable experience, because it is difficult out there. Not being unrealistic, it is difficult. Things are hard, but let's make it as easy as possible through the acts of kindness we can give to each other. Even now in the UK, 405,000 volunteers volunteer for NHS. Even this Thursday, I was going to clap to NHS people, and we did it, and I tweeted about it, and that's really what this is all about, is giving recognition to people, encouraging that, because these people, the people that are doing this stuff, are examples to other people, and you can set the standard, you can set the example, you can set the way people should be looking to behave, because it all starts with you. If you go the other way and don't show kindness, people are going to model that. So we want to make sure we create a world where we're all putting in kindness. Yes, there's always going to be people that aren't, but if you see it, you're not going to be that person. You're going to be the person who goes the opposite way into kindness. So this is what I want you to do, is go out there, be kind, even get your phone out now and text 3 people that you love the most and say how much you love them and how much you care for them. And this is what you just need to do. So I hope this has helped. This is InspirationNation. I'll catch you later. So I've got a couple of options. I'm doing coaching at the moment, do free coaching. Description link below. You can contact me through there. I've got 2 options. Just take a look and tell me what you think. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love if you click this link here, which is how to conquer your boredom at this time. I'd really love it. And also if you can subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. So it's InspirationNation. Catch you guys later.